turned it into a blog post, that turned it into a book, that hopefully will turn into a television series. That's a 10-year process.
Like, we finally live in a place where you can do show me, don't tell me.
Did I just define it in the most succinct way? Like,
The HBO show was nothing more than a YouTube blog, but on HBO. And then when HBO like didn't give us a second season, thank you HBO for doing that. The biggest favor of my life. I'm not kidding.
yeah.
I was like, well, it. Like, where can I go now?
What do you think any of this sort of landscape is going to look like in the next decade? And it's okay if you don't know, because I definitely don't know, but like, if you had to guess, where are we headed?